Stop guessing your skin type. Let's crack the code together, fast. If your face shines like a donut by noon, you're looking at oily skin. If it feels like a tight sweater after washing, that's dry. Oily T-zone but thirsty cheeks? Combination. Skin stings or flushes with new products? Sensitive. And if you're fighting blackheads and breakouts on repeat, you might be acne prone. Still not sure? Here's a hack cleanse. Wait an hour and blot. Oil everywhere? Oily. Just the T-zone. Combo. Barely any? Dry. Ready for the routine that actually fits you? Let's break it down in 30 seconds. Oily skin. Grab a gentle gel cleanser to control shine without stripping. Alcohol-free toner with niacinamide chills oil production. A niacinamide or azelaic acid serum smooths out texture and evens tone. Finish with a lightweight, oil-free gel cream moisturizer. Even oily skin needs hydration. For dry skin, think creamy cleansers. No foam, no fuss. Hydrating toner with glycerin or hyaluronic acid gives a thirst-quenching boost. Layer on a serum with ceramides or polyglutamic acid to rebuild your barrier. Top it with a rich, nourishing cream and, if needed, a drop of squalane or a slug of ointment on rough patches at night. Combo skin. Go for a balanced cleanser. Gel for oily T-zone, creamy for dry cheeks, or just pick a mild one for all. Use a hydrating toner. Dab a niacinamide toner on oily zones. Niacinamide serum overall, spot. Treat the T-zone with salicylic acid if you're extra shiny. Use a light lotion for the T-zone and a cream for dry cheeks. Mix and match, you're not locked in. Sensitive skin, less is more. Use a super gentle, fragrance-free cleanser. Skip toner or choose the mildest hydrating one. Pick soothing serums with panthenol or centella, nothing spicy. Moisturize with a rich barrier cream, and you can even dab a little petrolatum on the hottest spots at night. Acne prone? Use a salicylic acid cleanser a few times a week, gentle gel on other days. Toner is optional, but niacinamide helps calm things down. Azelaic acid or niacinamide serum for the win. Oil-free, non-comedogenic gel cream moisturizer to lock it in. At night, add a retinoid serum a few nights a week and spot treat with benzoyl peroxide if needed. And remember, dehydrated skin can happen to anyone. Use a gentle cleanser, hydrating toner loaded with humectants, and a serum packed with multiple weights of hyaluronic acid. Always seal it in with a moisturizer suited to your base type, and consider an occlusive at night to lock in moisture. No matter your skin, here's the golden rule. Go slow with new actives, sunscreen every morning, and don't skip moisturizer, even for oily skin. Patch test, listen to your skin, and keep it meowtastic. Want to see these routines broken down for each skin type? Drop your skin type in the comments and let's make your routine truly personal. For even more skincare tips, fun, and community, join Meowdicinal Moments, your go-to spot for glowing skin and connecting with fellow skin enthusiasts.